Yo, yo, yo. Here we are, we're at it again. Chapter 6, Rational Expressions. We've got two more concepts we need to cover. And this one is from 6.6, and it's going to be solving a formula or an equation for a specified variable. In this case, we have two separate equations here. We want to solve this equation for r, which means we would like to isolate r. So, we would do this by, you could factor out these p's, or you could say, hey, I want to get the p away, so I'm just going to subtract this p over. So I would have a minus p is equal to prt, and then the p and the t are related to this r through multiplication, so to get rid of them, we would divide. So the way that you isolate a variable is you do the opposite. So this p is connected through addition and subtraction. It's worth a positive p, so I'm going to do the opposite. Here it's connected through multiplication, so I'm going to divide both sides. So the way that you would do this is you would then say, okay, well then r is equal to a minus p over pt. This next problem that we're looking at I equals e over big R plus little r. We want to solve it for big R. But these are connected through addition and subtraction, so we're going to have to multiply both sides by this big R, little r. By doing that, on this side they cancel, and over here we have I times big R plus little r. That's going to be equal to E. Still trying to just get this r right here by itself, so I've got to distribute this in, so I'll have IR plus the I little r is equal to E. I can undo any addition or subtraction first, so this r has this I connected through multiplication and this IR through addition and subtraction, so I'm going to subtract it from both sides. So I have that IR is equal to E minus I little r, and then to get this big R by itself, I want to divide all of that by I. So big R is equal to this I minus big I, sorry, E minus big I little r over I. And this are your two answers for isolating the variable. Again, what we want to do when we're isolating a variable is just undo anything that's related through it. First through addition and subtraction, then through multiplication and division. You may need to factor or do some other tricks like multiplying. But that is how you isolate a variable.